Hello everyone, welcome to Protechnoid. So in this video, I'll show you how to view your subscribers on your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube. On the top right corner, click on your profile picture icon and click on YouTube Studio from the drop down. So once the YouTube Creator Studio has loaded, you will be in the dashboard screen by default. So no need to change anything. Just scroll down to the bottom and click on See All in the Recent Subscriber section. So this subscriber pop-up will show all the subscribers in the last 90 days. If you want to see more subscribers, you have options here like lifetime 365 days or 28 days or 7 days. So for me, it's a small channel, so it's only one subscriber is there. Like I have 10 subscribers now. So YouTube also shows only subscribers who have made their subscription public. So right now, there is only one subscriber who has made their subscription public. So friends, this is how we need to view our YouTube channel subscribers list. So I hope this video is clear. And if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section. And please also like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye.